Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to liquidate your M1 Finance account. The process is straightforward, but requires careful attention to several key steps. First, you must sell all your investments and withdraw any remaining cash. Then, contact M1 Finance support to formally request the account closure. Finally, be aware of what to expect regarding tax documents and account access after the closure is complete. Before initiating closure, you must prepare your account. Begin by selling all investments, ensuring no open positions remain. Allow time for all trades and transfers to fully settle. Next, withdraw any remaining cash balance to your linked external bank account. It is crucial that your M1 Finance account balance reaches zero before you proceed with the final closure request. Once your account balance is zero, the next step is to formally request closure. You must contact M1 Finance customer support directly, as this is the only way to close the account. Be ready to confirm your identity and provide specific account details. They may ask about your reasons for closing and will inform you of the expected timeline for processing your request. After your account closure request is processed, you will receive confirmation. Expect to receive final tax documents, such as Form 1099, for the current year, even if the account is closed. Verify that your M1 Finance account is no longer accessible. It is wise to monitor your linked bank account for any final transactions and keep records of your closure for future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.